Okay guys, this is the second part of the video where we're going to show you how the project actually works. Sorry about that. Actually, I had created two references to the add job web service and it didn't like it, so I had to get rid of one. Anyways, what we're going to do here is we're going to run the project. We're going to make a connection or we're going to make a reference to the web service called test connection. We're going to call the method in that web service to test the connection, passing in an authorization ID, which is like your authentication and a version, and we're going to get some results back into an XML element or an XML document is what's usually done. And then we're going to read that XML document and process the data that's in that XML document and deal with it. And then we're going to create a customer real quick, and this one's going to generate, and no, I'm going to change it so it doesn't generate an error. Let's just say I'm going to make a big number up here, and we're going to create a customer in their system. We're going to call it Top Builder Solutions. Let's do that, and then you'll see that we'll process the results there too. So let me go ahead and run the project and I'll show you how this works. Okay, so this is just a test program, but I'm going to say example web service, process the data, and so it stopped right there at the beginning. Now this is a web service called test connection that we added to our project, and there it is right there, test connection. I'm going to make a call to the test connection method in that web service, and it takes a second because this is actually across the internet. Okay, now I've gotten results back that I'm going to put into an XML element document or an XML document, and then I'm going to read the nodes or the tree hierarchy within that document and pull the data out. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to read the error code field. I got it. Okay, the value is S. Now I'm going to read the error description, which is the DESC field. I got that. That is web service connection was successful. Now I'm going to get the column name, and the column name is success. Okay, and then I'm going to check that to make sure we get an S, and then if so, we move on. Okay, now I'm going to call the add customer web service to create a customer, and so it has a method called add customer. I'm passing all these values into that method, web service method, and then I'm going to get some results back as well that I'll read. Now this could be get customer just as easy as it's add customer. Okay, so keep that in mind. So now I'm gonna say add customer, and this would be like creating a customer within Mark Systems from Top Builder Solutions. Okay, I'm gonna get my results back. Okay, I have some results. I'm gonna check the existence of an error code. I don't have one, and so it's actually gonna error off because I actually don't have a reference to that, but that's actually what I expected here in this case. I just didn't handle it properly. But the first call said error code S, description, web service, connection was successful, column name or the authorization ID is successful, and those are the results that I got back from calling that web service, and I processed it. So that's how we do it, and I hope this is helpful.